Hey guys, Mike here from Panther Hollow Sporting Optics. Hope this video finds you well. Well, today we got the Timney trigger in, hence the sticker. We got the Timney trigger installed. We got the ATS Tuner installed. I've done a little bit of shooting. I think I found a setting that these ammos like. This is Wolf Match Extra, RWS Rifle Match, and then the good old Center X that we see in the last video. We are going to be using the side shot camera today. Let's do some testing with the tuner, the ATS tuner, and the new trigger, and let's see what happens. Let's get to the range. Okay, this is Lapua Center X. Our tuner setting is on 16. And let's get, got a little bit of, let's dial that back just a little bit. Okay, the flags aren't moving. Let's see what we got here. 0. Go down to the next sticker. I don't know if that's 4 or 5. We go to the next sticker. Trending a little bit right. That's more like it. That last group almost been 4-shot group. Okay, you can see there, that's a pretty nice little group. Okay. So that Center X. Now guys, you're gonna get better results if you foul your barrel in better. I'm just trying to show you here that this tuner works pretty good, because why I'm saying that is that all these ammos did not shoot this way before I put a tuner on there. So we're gonna see if we can get them to shoot the same as I seen them earlier today. I was seeing these ammos shoot really close at 50 yards, pretty similar groups. I wasn't seeing that before I put the tuner on, okay? So the tuner changes the harmonic frequency of your barrel. That's kind of what it does. Hopefully, we'll get it on video here. Okay, we're going to go down. This is the Wolf Match Extra. Okay guys, that was a pretty nice group too. That last one went a little bit high, but the rest of them were pretty much in that hole. Let's do another 5-shot group there. What happened there? Looks like one pulled out on the right, left edge. Okay, not bad. Now, let's go to the RWS, see what it looks like. Again, guys, it'd be better probably if you fouled the barrel out with what you're gonna shoot. Now, I'm kind of switching ammos here, you know, pretty aggressively. The Wolf is the only one that has a different coating. The Wolf has kind of a wax coating on there. It's an Ely product. Center X has an oil-based product on it, and this RWS Rifle Match has a oil-based product as well. Okay, let's go over to the right, see what happens there. This is RWS Rifle Match. Okay, got a little vertical stringing there with the RWS. Let's try another group. Okay guys, as you can see there, center X, very nice little group. I mean, that's going to be a 1/4 inch or so. It's going to be a little over half. There's going to be a little over half. That's Wolf. Wolf done okay. RWS done really good, except we had one flyer out there. And then we had, as soon as the barrel shot in, we shot the barrel in here, and then we shot a group, shot the barrel in, shot a group, shot the barrel in, shot a group. So you may take more than 5 rounds to shoot the barrel in. I'm not sure at 50 yards. This is kind of something I'm just trying. So we got the camera, or we got another target set up down at 100. We're gonna try 100 yards. We'll turn the side shot camera back on. Well, we're up to about 5.5 minutes here. So upper right. Not looking real good. We got 3 right there together and 2 outliers. Let's try the next one. Okay, not real impressed with that either. Okay, we're gonna do 5. And the Wolf was lower left. Okay, not very impressive either with the Wolf. Try it again here. Trending low. Okay. Those groups were not very impressive. Now I could adjust the tuner and try to get the tuner better for those ammos at 100 yards. But I think I want to shoot this center X. Now that's kind of a luxury you have with a tuner, is being able to tune in a load. Now I got them tuned in pretty good at 50. And I kind of like being tuned in at 50 and having a load that shoots pretty good at 100. So let's see how this goes. We're going to start upper left. Okay, shooting in the barrel. All right guys, going back to upper left. I made an adjustment windage wise. Shot in the barrel there. Hopefully we get a better group than that out of the center X, right? Okay. So what we're going to do is go for the black diamond now with the center X. It's starting to shoot in now. It may take more than 10 rounds for it to shoot in at 100. This is my first time doing this at 100. Just thought I'd bring you guys along with me and see what it looks like. It's not always peaches and cream unless you're cherry picking groups. And that's one thing I don't do is cherry pick groups. I'll show you what I shoot. We shoot true distances. That's kind of how we do things. So some people like it, some people don't. It is what it is. All right, going for black. We're gonna do a 10-shot group in the black, and we'll look at it in the shop when we get done here. That's the first one that's dropped out of the black there. Looks like we got a nice little group down there. Get back in inside here for final thoughts. Stand by. All right, guys, we got our calipers out here. We're looking at the center X group. Allen's a 0.67. Well, that one's probably a 7.2. Let's say 3/4. Say that to 3/4, and that's just a skosh over 3/4. This is RWS ammo. These are some Fowler shots, and actually they didn't look too bad, but this is the group after the Fowler shots. And that's almost an inch right here. So these are inch squares. Now, this is a group we shot 10 rounds. And center to center there, that's still just a skosh over 3/4 of an inch. So we're seeing repeatability. We got a little bit better group than that without the tuner, but I wasn't getting the results like this at 50 yards. So you can see those right there. Those are some pretty impressive groups at 50 yards across 3 ammos. Okay. All right, guys, we shot some Wolf Match Extra, some RWS, and some Center X. Center X being the winner today. Center X ammo is shooting really good. It really should for the price. The RWS, I was hoping to have a little higher expectations for it, but I'm not giving up on it yet. The Wolf Match Extra is some stuff I shoot through several different of my 22s, several different ones. This 22 likes it okay, this doesn't shoot it real good at 100. Now I think we could tune it in if we wanted to shoot specifically that. But to shoot long range, you're going to have to know what your ESs and your SDs are. So you're going to have to get some type of way to get some speed off your barrel, whether it be a magneto speed or a chronograph, okay? So as far as the package goes now, I really, really like it. I really, really like the Timney trigger. This is my 3rd ATS tuner, and what can I say? It does its job. It did really well on the Tika, and it's doing good on this. I just need to play with it a little more. Just got it in today. I thought I'd take you guys along the ride, just kind of show you what I'm doing when I'm setting up or tuning a rifle. This thing is very impressive. I really fell in love with this Timney trigger. It is super light. Probably around that 6-ounce range. That's where one needs to be to get some good groups, or that's where I like it anyways. Mileage may vary on that statement, so you may like a different trigger setting than I like. So have some video through the side shot camera We're not sure how that's going to turn out yet. You guys will see it. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I want to say a quick shout out to a guy by the name of Double G. He's been making some comments, and I appreciate those comments. I appreciate all the comments. Double G, thank you, sir. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.